Hey Jacksonville, this is Steve with MarineMax. Have something really exciting to share with you guys today. It's the 13 Super Sport from Boston Whaler. This one is coming in the Glacier Green with the chrome accent package. Of course, as you'll see that I'm standing near is the 4-tier ladder system. What's really great about this is once it's lowered and down into the water, you're going to want as many tiers as possible for easy access, getting in and out of the boat while we're swimming. Also standing near the 4-stroke 40 horsepower Mercury, great on fuel efficiency, plenty of hours you're going to be able to get out of this, along with the additional fuel tank that sits under the captain's seat. As I move towards the captain's seat, you'll see the 2 cup holders in the middle, the stainless steel steering wheel along with the gauges. Nice low profile railing on this boat too, great for security. And at least I didn't forget about the bimini top here. What I really love about this bimini top is the abundant sun shade it provides for the 4-person capacity on board. And of course your anchor storage towards the front. Anyone is interested in the 13 Super Sport or learning more about it, you can feel free to contact me at my cell, which is going to be 904-707-1023.